Welcome to the Health and Social Care and Childcare Department. My name is Gaynor Jenkins and I teach this subject at Ysgol Maes y Gwendraeth. Choosing health and social care and childcare as one of your options for your A-level subjects will equip you with thorough and in-depth knowledge, understanding and skills related to the development and care of individuals throughout their lifespan. It will also give you the opportunity to develop your understanding of influences on human growth, development, behaviour and well-being. You will gain a detailed understanding of the social, physical, emotional and cultural needs of people who use the care and support services in Wales. You will also gain a thorough understanding of how the service provision in Wales supports the development and well-being of individuals. During the two-year course, you will study contemporary issues in relation to the provision of an ethical and sustainable health and social care and childcare system in Wales. Active learning and personalisation will be promoted by giving you opportunities to investigate care issues and topics of your own choice. And following a broad study of health and social care and childcare, it will also provide you with an opportunity to develop depth of knowledge and understanding of these services. By studying health and social care and childcare, you will be able to recall and develop new skills that will enable you to demonstrate a better understanding of the ethical, social and political issues affecting the health and social care and childcare sectors. You will have a better awareness of the principles and values which underpin health and social care and childcare in Wales. You will understand the child or person-centred approaches to care and also interpret and evaluate the theories in health and social care and childcare and reflect on how they affect the provision of services here in Wales. You will be able to identify the sociological, psychological and biological factors that contribute to good health and explain how the role of the government and professionals in promoting and maintaining good health. You will also use literacy, numeracy, research and digital competency skills as appropriate within your study. Therefore, here are some top tips for you to use during your studies. Start to think about the different practitioners and job roles available in the health and social care and childcare sectors. Consider how many health and social care and childcare practitioners that you and your family use. Is it more or less than you thought it would be? Consider if there's a particular environment or job role in the health and social care and childcare sectors that you like to work in. Watch the news. Health and social care and childcare issues are in the news every single day. Watch health and social care and childcare related programs online or on TV. And if appropriate, follow health and social care or childcare practitioner on social media so that you'll be able to find out more about their job roles and what they do from day to day. The qualification structure is divided into a total of 6 units. 2 AS units, Unit 1 and Unit 2, and 4 A2 units, Units 3, 4, 5 and 6. You will study a total of 4 units, 2 AS units plus 2 units related to our chosen pathway. The course is assessed through 50% internal assessment, that's your coursework, and 50% external assessment, which will be your examination. And this is the same format for Year 12 and Year 13. So these are the 2 units you'll be studying in Year 12. Unit 1, Promoting Health and Wellbeing. This is your written examination that will last 2 hours and you have to answer all questions on the exam paper. Unit 2, Supporting Health, Wellbeing and Resilience in Wales. Non-exam assessment, that is your coursework, and you have approximately 30 hours to complete the task set. And the task requires you to produce a report on how practitioners from the health and social care and childcare sectors work together within legislative guidelines to promote outcome-focused care. You will also need to provide information which would be of relevance to learners planning a future career in the health, social care and or childcare sectors, and this work can be submitted as a presentation, a blog, or an infographic, or a combination of all three. These are the two units you'll be following in Year 13, and we are following the Adult Health and Social Care pathway. Unit 5, Theoretical Perspectives of Adult Behaviour. This is your written examination paper, 2.5 hours long, and again you have to answer all questions in the paper. Unit 6, Supporting Adults to Maintain Health, Wellbeing and Resilience. This is your non-exam assessment, your coursework, approximately 40 hours long. And the task requires learners to produce an information resource for someone planning a future career in the adult health and social care sector. The resources must include contemporary issues on safeguarding factors and the care and support needs of adults and how these needs may be met in a setting of your own choice. This qualification will provide you with a suitable foundation for the study of health and social care through a range of higher education courses or into employment. This could include, in the health sector, nurse, doctor, paramedic, midwife, speech and language therapist, dentist. In your social sector, you have your counsellor, youth worker, social worker, and childcare, teacher, education consultant, play therapist, special educational needs coordinator, that's your SENCO, and these are just to name a few. In addition, this specification provides a coherent, satisfying and worthwhile course of study for you even if you do not progress to further study in the subject. Thank you for listening, and I do hope this information will be of help to you.